This recipe is trash. Welcome back to Paul and Benny. It's your first time here. I'm Paul. Benny will be here for the taste test. And really, this recipe is trash. I mean, that's what it's called. Quick backstory, I was watching another YouTube channel and the lady was making a Jell-O dessert fruit salad. It wasn't exactly what I was looking for, but I delved into the comments and another viewer said her family makes one using sour cream and they call it trash. I was like, she's got to be making this up. So I went to the internet, the art of making things, and I saw a recipe for trash. Actually, there are several. People make them different ways. So I figured I got to give it a try. And since we're doing a series of no-bake dessert recipes, I thought this would fit perfect. So this recipe comes together really quickly. It's really just putting stuff in a bowl, stirring it together. If you blink, you might miss it. We're going to start with our sour cream. It says for 1 cup, so that's 1 small container. And we're just going to give it a head start, get it beat up a little bit because I don't want to have to stir up the fruit any more than necessary. I don't want to break up the oranges, cherries, etc. I'm going to start off adding our crushed pineapple. I drained it extremely well. We're going to get some flavor going here so it can soak into our marshmallows. This dessert's going to have to set for about an hour or so to come to reach its full potential. Some people mentioned you could use the multicolored marshmallows, but it's also going to give a fruitier flavor, and I'm not sure if I like that. Look at that, it's already a pretty thick salad. We're going to go ahead and add our coconut and our cherries. All the ingredients amounts will be listed below in the caption. And this looks like Christmas. I'm going to add some mandarin oranges, one of my favorite canned fruit. I really feel like there should be some nuts or something to add some extra texture, but I'm going to try and take care of that with the garnish. We're going to let this sit in the fridge for a little while, then see what it tastes like. Put some in a bowl here, make a nice little mound for presentation purposes. Now I'm going to add some toasted coconut. Really give, wow, could you hear that? Listen. So it's really going to give some texture compared to the coconut that's mixed in it. Wouldn't be done without a cherry on top. Now let's give this a try. Guys, this is so beautiful. It looks like a little sundae of some type here in this bowl. Doesn't taste like sour cream at all. It tastes like so many fruit salads I've had before as a kid. Those ones, the ambrosia, the Watergate salad, something that has pudding mix in it, except it's not super sweet. It's really good. You really get pineapple coconut flavor with that toasted coconut on top. That garnished coconut is so crunchy and yummy. I think this is better than the ones I had as a kid. Benny, this is not trash. It's really good. You've got to try it. Not what you expected, is it?
So I'm expecting like super sweet,
right?
But one more time. I don't know if you said this, but it tastes really like fresh. I think it's the sour cream just because it's not overly sweet. I love the texture of the coconut. That's my jam. I love that. And then like I like the mandarin oranges, like juicy. But then like the coating on the marshmallows isn't too sweet. I don't know. The marshmallow itself is sweet, but it's just like, it's really weird.
Weird good or weird like that? No?
It's definitely not trash. It's weird good, but I'm just not used to it. Like all these types of salads are just so overly sweet growing up. So like that's what I'm expecting. So when I don't get that, it's kind of like, does not compute. But I like it though. But it's not dessert.
So that's what the lady said. She said, we don't serve as dessert. We serve as a side dish.
I can see the side dish. I can see this like a fresh, clean side dish.
Imagine with a piece of ham.
Yes. Cutting through like the fat or the heaviness. This would actually be really, really good.
Fried chicken.
Yes. I say go for it. I say definitely give it a try. See where it's going to fit into your repertoire of food and like your how you're going to serve it.
I'd eat the whole bowl just how it is. As always, I'm Paul.
I'm Benny.
And we're grateful for trash.
And we're grateful for you watching.
You know how those ones like the pistachio pudding or Jell-O and stuff, like they're good, but they're super sweet, like so sweet like burns your throat a little bit? It doesn't. It's just like a really light fruit salad. I see why she said it doesn't have to be dessert. You can eat it with your meal. Like somehow the marshmallows and sour cream together, it just tastes really fresh.